Gargamel. Come here, Gargamel. Gargamel, come.
Oh boy, you are able to get it in your mouth.
Gargamel. Ding ding. Hey. Ding ding. High five. Good high five. Stimpy. Good Stimpy. Would you rather be Casey or a dead dog? Hey, dead dog. Do dead dog. Please, do dead dog. Gargamel. Dead dog. Good dead dog.
Dead dog.
Woo!
Oh. All right, did you make the transaction?